Hi friend, in this video I will show you how you can fix mouse cursor moving on its own on Windows PC or laptop. For this fix, one, right click on Windows icon and then click on run. Now here type main.cpl and then click on OK. This will open mouse properties. Now move to pointer options. In the motion, select pointer speed. Make sure this bar is set in middle. After that, uncheck enhance power pointer precision option and then click apply and then OK. If you still facing the problem, then method second, again right click on Windows icon and then click on run. Again type main.cpl, click on OK. Again move to pointer options. In the visibility, you will see hide pointer while typing. Make sure this box is unchecked and then click on apply and then on OK to save changes. If you still seeing the problem, then method third, right click on Windows icon. This time click on device manager. Once device manager opens up, find mice and other pointing device, expand it. After that, right click on the mouse drivers, click on update, click on search automatically for drivers. Once installed, cancel the window. If you still facing the problem with mouse moving on its own, then in the last step, right click on all the mouse drivers and click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. Do this with all drivers. After that, once you done that, restart your PC or laptop, unplug the mouse, again restart and plug in your USB mouse. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.